Good morning, dear students. Welcome to this class on preparation of the dye malachite green. Malachite green is a triaryl methane dye in which a central carbon atom is bonded to three aromatic rings, one of which is in the quinoid form. The name malachite bears a similarity with the mineral malachite. It is a mineral of copper which is generally in hydroxide and carbonate form. So the dye bears similarity in the name with this mineral because both are green in color. Formally, in the market, malachite green refers to chloride salt of the compound, though it is also sold in its oxalate salt form. The color of the dye is green due to colored cation. This cation absorbs strongly at 621 nanometer, which falls in visible range. The anion of the dye has no effect on its color. So whether it is chloride or oxalate, malachite will appear green due to its cation. Now coming to the preparation of the dye malachite green. The dye was prepared for the first time by Hermann Fischer in 1877. As on date, the dye is prepared by condensation of methylaniline with benzaldehyde in 2:1 ratio at 100 degrees Celsius in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. The reaction between these two compounds, that is dimethylaniline and benzaldehyde, gives a colorless compound known as leucobase. This leucobase is oxidized by lead oxide and acetic acid to form the alcohol derivative of malachite green, which is also colorless. And this alcohol derivative, when treated with excess of hydrochloric acid, forms the colored compound malachite green. Let us understand this reaction with the help of this graphic. Here, condensation of benzaldehyde with dimethylaniline in 2:1 ratio at 100 degrees Celsius in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid gives the leucobase. Here is the leucobase, and this leucobase is oxidized by lead oxide in acetic acid to form the colorless alcohol derivative. Here you can see OH group is present. It is also colorless, but when this alcohol is treated with excess of HCl, it forms the colored compound malachite green. Here in this structure, this malachite green is having cation as well as anion, or it is in its chloride salt form. And this cation is deeply colored because it has extended pi delocalization, which allows the molecule to absorb visible light. And here we can also see that malachite green has a central carbon atom which is bonded to three aromatic rings. And here are the main applications of the dye malachite green. It is used as a direct dye to dye wool and silk. You must be able to recall the meaning of a direct dye. It is a dye that can be applied directly from a neutral or slightly alkaline dye solution to the fabric. It means malachite green can be applied directly to wool and silk from its solution. It is also used to dye for cotton, but malachite green doesn't have affinity for cotton fiber and cannot be used to dye cotton directly. It requires tannin as a mordant. So, cotton fiber is first treated with tannin and then it is dipped in malachite green dye solution. As a result, it gives color to cotton. Here is the picture showing a colored fabric which has been dyed with malachite green. Also, this dye has antibacterial properties and it can be used as an antibacterial to treat oomycete saprolegnia. Also, the dye has found application in forensic science. How? Let us know. First, it is used for the detection of blood stains at crime spot. Actually, the leucoform of malachite green and hydrogen peroxide react, and this reaction is catalyzed by hemoglobin. As a reaction of this reaction, the leuco, that is colorless form, converts into green form, that is malachite green. Therefore, the appearance of a green color indicates the presence of blood. In other words, suppose some forensic science expert wants to ascertain whether some remaining invisible blood stains are present at the crime spot. So what he does? He just sprays leucoform of malachite green and hydrogen peroxide on the floor or on the crime spot, and if it becomes green, it indicates presence of some blood stains. Dear students, you must have heard a proverb, getting caught red-handed. But this malachite green is used to catch thieves, pilferers and corrupt people green-handed. How? The bait, which is generally money, is coated with anhydrous powder of malachite green, and upon washing the hands who have handled that powder coated money, the stain on the skin that lasts for several days will result on the hand of the person, and those stains are green in color, and presence of those green stains help to catch the thieves, pilferers and corrupt people green-handed. These are two important uses of malachite green dye in forensic science. With this, I end this class. Thank you very much.